Wow, what timing? Okay, so I'm coming outside for just a few minutes to see what's going on. We have round one of some pretty intense storms coming through. This storm has already produced a confirmed tornado in Brentwood, which is south of us. Not Brentwood, I'm sorry. Fairview going towards Franklin. And that's pretty scary because, you know, we have some friends and stuff down that way. Hopefully everyone's okay and they're in their shelters. But this is round one, so this is obviously a tornado producing storm. And they said we can get up to 70-mile-an-hour winds, obviously some intense thunder and lightning, as well as ping pong to golf sized hail. I'm hoping none of that affects my area, but you know, it's gonna be what it is. Wow, that was big. So I'm on my covered porch in my backyard right now, just getting a quick look at things. It is intense out here. Seems like a lot of it is in that direction. Wow, that was huge. I hope I'm getting like the lightning bolts and not just like the flashes that it does. Because these lightning bolts, oh my god, are so intense. Try to hold it still. So it's 11:15 here in Tennessee, so this is current. This is literally happening as the storm's coming through. And okay, I just got severe thunder warning for our area at the moment. More severe thunderstorms. Okay, so no tornado things for my specific area. So far we're doing okay. Alright everyone, I'm heading in. And that is my sign to go in. Make sure everyone is safe if you are in this storm. And God bless.